Alright, what's up y'all? So today I'm going to walk you through Soren's bedtime routine. It starts off with me giving him dinner. So now I'm going to go make his dinner. You know, he eats Yumble meals for dinner if we're not having something special that I know he'll like. And today we're not. So we're going to pull out some Yumble. The vegetarian bean burrito. This is his first time trying this one. So let's see. Let's warm it up. It comes with some corn. Here we are, vegetarian bean burrito with some corn and blackberries. I added the blackberries and I added a little salt and pepper to his corn. So Soren has this thing that milk has to be in a bottle. He'll drink water, juice, whatever else out of a cup, but milk, his almond milk must be in a bottle, which is a big issue. Then we have another battle of him going to sleep without the bottle. I just haven't been able to just take it from him. He's going to sleep on his own, which is a huge deal, and that's a huge step for me that he's actually sleeping in the crib. The next step is to get rid of the bottles, but I'm gonna wait until I'm ready, and hopefully he'll be ready too. But I always tuck his bottles away, and also the next thing, after dinner, he'll have a bath, so I'm going to take out his towel, his PJs, and have it ready so that when he finishes his dinner, we can come right up to have a bath and go back and have some free play time before he has to go to bed. After Soren gets out of the tub, I put shea butter and coconut oil on him. Actually, the coconut oil goes first, and then I do shea butter.
This
Ready
kid
for
never
dinner?
Williams, he's never talked to me since he's home. But this email is not from him, so it's from someone else. I don't know who this person is. I think Williams was hacked and someone got to
Are you ready?
messages and
That's your dinner?
got my email that way. It could have
How do you know?
It must be how the pictures got out.
It's a little hot. Hold on. I'm gonna cut it up.
I don't know how.
You're welcome. Can you taste it? Use your fork.
I put a lot of lines to be here. Everything makes you uncomfortable. Everything. You asked me to leave. All I asked you to do is on, Seth. You demanded that I deleted it.
That's corn. You have to wait. The water's not even in the tub yet. Wait. Alright, have to go because we're gonna have a What is that? Cheese. Now we are all cleaned up and PJs are on. Now it's time to brush your teeth. Let's go brush your teeth. No? Go brush your teeth. Come on, I'm going to brush. Let's go. Brush it, brush it. Alright, now that teeth are brushed, he's had a bath, he gets to free play for a little while, and then we read a book, and he goes to bed at 8:30. Bedtime is approaching because he's being loud and wild, and he's also throwing tantrums. It's 8:15. We're about to read a story in a minute, and then we're going to wrap this up. Do you want to read this book? Alright, come on. Can you take a piece of tape off your head? Okay, you can leave it. It's still there. It's still there. Little blue truck. Look at all the animals. Truck. Cow. There is a cow. Little blue truck. Okay. Alright, I'm about to have him say goodnight to everyone in the house, and then we're going to go ahead and lay him down in his crib and turn on some white noise. He's going to drink a bottle. He might cry, and that's okay. Night-night, Soren. Say night-night, everybody. Alright, Soren is all laid down. I keep the white noise up to like 90 so he can't hear everything that's happening in the house. I try to dim it down so he goes to sleep. He just might cry a little bit, but that's okay. He usually goes to sleep within 20 minutes. Alright, good night everyone.